What's the meaning of cradle cap? Cradle cap. Cradle cap.
Cradle cap. Cradle cap. Cradle cap refers to a common skin condition that affects infants. It presents as scaly patches or crusts on the scalp and sometimes the face. The condition is harmless and usually resolves on its own within a few months, but may cause itching and discomfort for the baby. Gentle cleansing with a mild shampoo and regular brushing of the baby's scalp can help alleviate symptoms. In rare cases, a healthcare professional may prescribe topical medications to help manage the condition.